Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of grammar chapter adjective 20 chapter. Now we will discuss warm up. Identify the adjective qualifying the highlighted noun in these sentences. Rajiv is an intelligent boy. Boy is the noun and intelligent is the adjective of quality. I have a few bananas to feed the monkeys. Banana is the noun and few is the adjective of quantity. I had two sandwiches in the morning. Sandwiches is the noun and two is the number of adjective. He is a brave soldier. Soldier is a noun and brave is the adjective of quality. Did you sew my shoes? Shoes is the noun and my is the possessive adjective. This dress is mine. Dress is the noun and this is the demonstrative adjective. Would you like to eat meat? Are friends? Friends is the noun and are is the possessive adjective. He is not in his room. Room is the noun, his is the possessive adjective. I would like to have some rice. Rice is the noun and some is the adjective of quantity. The Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders. Wonders is the noun and seven is the number of adjective. Those boys are making noise. Boys is the noun and those is the adjective of demonstrative. Have you seen their garden? Garden is the noun and there is the possessive adjective. So, words that describe noun are called adjective or describing words are called adjective. Now we will discuss kinds of adjective. First we will discuss adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality of a noun. For example, this is a good doll. Good is the adjective of quality because good is describing the doll or doll is a noun. Adjective, now second is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity indicates the amount of things but not the exact number. Means मात्रा बता सकता है लेकिन नंबर नहीं बता सकता. I need some money. Some is the quantity. There is a little water in the glass. Little is the quantity. Now third one we will discuss adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us exact number of the thing or their order in a series of things. I have a 2 pencil or 3 sharpener. 2 or 3 are here, adjective of number. Now fourth one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows possession, means अपने लिए कोई चीज़ कही जाती है. Please return his book. His is the possessive adjective. His, their, on, our, her, us, my, on. These are the some example of possessive adjective. Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun shows ownership. Possessive adjective are followed by noun and possessive pronoun stands alone. For example, his book is on the table. His is the possessive and book is the noun. So, book my is followed by the noun. So, this is the possessive adjective. And the house of the corner is ours. Ours is here stands alone. So, this is a possessive pronoun. Now, we will discuss demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are used to point at the people or thing. For example, those, these, that. These are the example of demonstrative adjective. This kite is mine. Which kite? This. This is the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun help to point at things. Demonstrative adjective are followed by the noun. Demonstrative pronoun stands alone. Those shoes are not mine. Shoes are the noun followed by the those. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Do you like this? This is the stands alone. So this is the demonstrative pronoun. Now at last we will discuss interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are used to ask the question. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? These are the words called adjective of interrogative adjective. Whose, which, what, how, when, where. Now note to remember. Interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun helps to ask the question. Interrogative adjective are followed by noun. Interrogative pronoun stands alone. Whose shoes are there? Means whose followed by the shoes. Shoes is the noun and whose is the interrogative adjective. And who is this? This is stands alone. So this is the interrogative pronoun. Now you have to complete A or B exercise in your book. Thank you.